Welcome, lovely ones. This meditation will focus on bringing true love and romance into your life or rekindling that which once was. To begin our soul's journey of love manifestation, let's become laser clear about our intentions. Let's all declare and decide what we are seeking by preparing our minds and hearts to receive this beautiful gift. First, please let's find a quiet space where we will be undisturbed for approximately 10 to 20 minutes. Second, let's clear our mind of any and all negative thoughts and replace them with thoughts of self-love and appreciation for the soul-centered beings that we were created to be. Third, let's close our eyes, then take 3 deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhale through your mouth, while we focus on your heart's chakra, your inner heart/soul space. Let's physically put our left or right hand at or over our heart. Fourth, let's imagine ourselves at a quiet lake or other quiet body of water as you gently put your index finger or even your entire hand into the water while envisioning the ripples that are created by doing so. As you focus on the ripples of water slowly getting wider and wider, you are also envisioning the amazing infusion of spirit flowing into your heart, creating clear, strong, and stable pathways to your perfect romantic partner. We are now opening our hearts and soul, ready to receive the wonderful delights that true love has to offer us. Next, let's, for example, imagine ourselves as the person or persons we are seeking union with. Imagine the perfect attributes that we are seeking from our soulmate. For example, if we are seeking someone who is loving and physically passionate, then we will envision ourselves as that loving and passionate person as well. If we are seeking someone who is financially abundant, then we will envision ourselves as someone who is wealthy, financially secure, and prosperous, and all that would entail. Lastly, we will now let go of all control. We will allow any aspect of control to evaporate. Imagine a sponge being squeezed of all of its moisture/water, and let it disappear, let it go, and allow spirit to take over your heart and soul to manifest your desires while you just relax and repeat the following. As I dwell in abundant light, I give my heart ready to receive the heart of my soul mate. As light and love shine on me, I am loved more than I ever thought possible. With my heart open to my soul mate, I am ready to receive the passionate and everlasting love that I deserve. The love I am seeking is here. I am making room in my soul for this beautiful union to come into my life. My soulmate is here, and we are simply anticipating their arrival at any moment. My perfect soulmate demonstrates a deep and passionate love for me willingly, freely and genuinely. I enjoy and look forward to passionate romantic interactions with my love partner that express how we feel about each other every day. I am in the perfect relationship with the one I was meant to be with. My soul connects with my genuine, passionate lover as the universe/God intended. I have attracted the perfect soul mate for me. I am in perfect love with me, and so is my soul mate. I am love, passion and affection in motion. I will have the most heartfelt, loving and committed relationship of my lifetime. No one likes or loves me more than I do, but my love mate comes in at a close second. My life is flooded with pure expressions of love, joy, and happiness in the perfect romantic union I will bring to life. The pure passion and voracious desire I feel for my committed lover is overwhelming, and I live for it every day. The universe, or God/my higher power, is my co-pilot as we search the heavens for my one and only true love. The love I seek was here all the time. All I need to do is ask and leave it to be. I am in perfect love with me, and so is my soul mate. The love I am seeking is here. I am making room in my soul for this beautiful union to come into my life. My perfect romantic love is financially abundant, and we both enjoy lavishing each other with gifts of appreciation and love. I am manifesting the happiest union in my relationship for today, tomorrow, and beyond. I have attracted the perfect soul mate for me. My soulmate is here, and we are simply anticipating their arrival at any moment. I am loving, passionate, and affection in motion. As I seek guidance from the universe, love is my companion that dwells with me always. I manifest love, beauty, laughter, and joy in my world every day. As a child of a higher being, I radiate love, peace, and happiness in my life daily. The spirit of romantic love radiates throughout my being to attract the perfect soulmate to me. Life is my oyster, so that all the great and beautiful aspects of love and romance will be attracted to me. My life partner will possess all of the beauty and love the universe knows I am worthy of. My perfect romantic partner has a great sense of humor, enjoys having fun, and is spontaneous. A lifetime of romantic love, joy, and happiness is my destiny. My heart is wide open for genuine, sincere romantic love. The majesty of my being attracts the perfect lover who appreciates my unique and wondrous personality. The passionate life partner we desire understands and cherishes the word commitment. The genuine love interest we envision enjoys traveling, giving to others, and meeting new people as I do. My perfect love partner will see me as I see them. Together we will conquer any and all obstacles in our way. My perfect romantic love will put people and our love for each other above all else. My perfect romantic love will be as giving and caring as I am. My romantic love and I will enjoy just the two of us being together more than anything else. I am manifesting the happiest love relationship for today, tomorrow, and beyond. When it comes to my romantic love relationship, what Spirit has for me will be mine, no matter what anyone says or does. I am love in motion, and my destiny is abundant romantic love being attracted to me everywhere I go. As you finish your last affirmation, give thanks to the universe, or God, my higher power, and end with the following: as it is above, so it is below. It is done. True love is at my doorstep, and I am ready. I am ready. For best results, do this 3 times a week for 4 to 6 weeks.